Sometimes the smartest way to begin investing isn't by trying to outsmart the market, but by observing those who already understand it. And that's where eToro copy trading quietly steps into the picture. Instead of staring at complex charts and guessing when to buy or sell, this feature allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced investors, which means your portfolio can move in sync with theirs. It blends social networking with investing, and that combination makes the entire experience feel more interactive and less isolating. As you explore trader profiles, you'll see metrics such as average yearly return, number of copiers, drawdowns, and portfolio composition. And these details help bridge the gap between blind copying and informed decision-making. When you find a trader that aligns with your risk tolerance and goals, simply choose the amount you want to allocate and activate the copy feature. From that point onward, whenever the selected trader opens or closes a position, the same action is executed proportionally in your account, creating a mirrored investment strategy without you needing to manually intervene. One of the biggest advantages of eToro copy trading is accessibility, because beginners can potentially benefit from the expertise of seasoned traders while still maintaining control over their capital. You can pause copying, withdraw funds, or stop copying at any time, which adds flexibility to the process. However, it's important to understand that copying a trader does not eliminate risk, since markets are unpredictable and past performance does not guarantee future results. That's why diversification across multiple traders can sometimes reduce exposure to a single strategy. Additionally, eToro's transparent ecosystem allows traders to build reputations through the Popular Investor program, where consistent performance and responsible risk management can earn them rewards. This creates an incentive for disciplined trading, and at the same time gives copiers more confidence in who they choose to follow. Still, success depends on research, patience, and realistic expectations, because even the most skilled traders experience losses during volatile periods. And while it may seem effortless to press a single button and replicate someone else's strategy, the true value lies in understanding why you're copying them in the first place. Because investing through social trading isn't just about automation, it's about learning, adapting, and sometimes stepping back just as quietly as you stepped in. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.